All right, today I'm gonna show you how you can remodel in 3 different ways, in 3 different budgets, your bathroom and make sure that it looks out of this world without breaking the bank. So no matter where you fall under your category of budget, you can still make your remodel stand out. Let's start with the budget. With the budget one, pretty much we are focusing all of our attention is on the shower area. Nothing is done for the rest of the bathroom. So if you have already tile on the floor, we're not touching it. If you have already a vanity, we're not touching it. If you have a toilet, we're not touching it. This is the focal point because this is the first thing you see when you come into the bathroom. Now this is just the most common layout, but now with new tile, new layout, new hardware, you already taking your bathroom to the next level. Next, the $15,000. What usually falls into that? We started from the same price point where we are before. However, this time already we have a full repainting of the bathroom. We're most likely gonna add a couple of recess lights, and that's pretty much it. Layout is not changing, material is not changing for the most part. We're just adding features to take your bathroom to the next level. And finally, your $20,000 price tag. In a $20,000 price tag, a lot can be done. You can do shuffling, which means that you can move things around. You can update the bathroom and add features like shampoo niche, LED light inside of the shampoo niche, recess lights. You want to make sure to give the ability to really transform your bathroom. The painting, the humidity sensor, the recess lights, all those features will take your bathroom to the next level. So where are you falling and how are you planning to remodel your bathroom and take it to the next level?